video I made 2 fairy doors. They are pretty easy to make and really quick. Let's get started.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how you can make a fairy door. Start by cutting out the inside of the door frame on the bandsaw. My lumber is 25mm thick. Sand the inside smooth. Transfer the shape of the inside on 9mm thick wood. Make small grooves in the door with Dremel. Place some spacers to cut out the next groove and do it over and over again with much more spacers. One side of the door is finished. Now let's do the other side. Also with spacers. Chamfer the inside edge of the door frame on the router. And then it broke down. Luckily my dad was able to fix it. Cut out the door on the bandsaw and sand down to the line. Make sure it fits into the door frame. Now we'll cut out the outside of the door frame. Let's make a mailbox. The mailbox is 38mm by 38mm and it's 46mm long. I'm drilling a 25mm hole so the fairies can receive some post. And let's cut a slot on the bandsaw. Now let's do some filing and sanding on the mailbox and the door. You can give the door a nice color if you want to. Glue the door inside the door frame and finish with some spray lacquer and you're ready.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!